So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make this little split stitch, which is really, really basic and simple, and it's just great for working stems or just adding to these sort of floral designs. And all we're going to do is we're just going to follow the line that we've drawn, come through from the back, and make a little stitch, sort of about 1/2 centimetre, maybe less. And then we're going to come up through the middle of that, splitting our stitch in half. And then we just repeat that again. We're going to stitch over a little bit further. And do the same thing again. We're going to come up through the middle and split that stitch. And just continue that, following your line drawings. And there we go, that's how we work a little split stitch, which is wonderful for stems or little floral branches or leaves. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Hope you managed to follow along and just to really learn a really simple stitch for using for stems and for branches. And also, if you want to get into doing embroidery writing, especially calligraphy, the split stitch is really lovely for writing out text as well in your floral pieces. So yeah, I will see you soon for some more embroidery crafting fun. Thanks for watching, and join me in my next video where I show you how to make a bigger rose, which is very similar to our smaller rose. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.